Hey everybody, Pat with Bird Brain Model Rails. Just completed a new project, built a drugstore, and of course I went ahead and painted everything before we installed inside. You'll notice we have a soda fountain back there with bar stools. We have the pharmacy counter with the shelves behind that, and we have tables and booths in here. And then on the other side, of course, we have a second shop, which is a camera shop. Now, if you look inside, you can see the camera sitting on the table right there. Now, what I love about, and this is a Tyco kit. What I love about the Tyco kits when I combine them is the amount of detail that comes with it. This kit came with everything except the people. It included the little cat and the dog here next to the fire hydrant. Now, if you look at the walls on this, oh, and by the way, for you nitpickers, you're probably going to notice that the side windows were installed upside down, and I didn't catch it in time, so I'm going to live with it. But if you'll notice the walls and the appearance of mortar in those bricks, I'll do another video that shows how that's created. Now, this one is complete, all except for a hole I have to drill in the floor over here to run wires through for my light for the building. And then, of course, we have the roof that'll just sit in place like so. Guys, don't forget to hit the like and share buttons. If you enjoyed my videos, I'm always adding more. Have a great day. Thanks.